Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone. Bienvenue dans tous les jours 20 verbes avec Radhika à French and You. Welcome to Everyday 20 Verbs with Radhika at French and You. Dans cette vidéo, vous pouvez apprendre 20 verbes en français. In this video, you can learn 20 verbs in French. Partie 10. Part 10. Oser. Oser. To dare. Accompagner. Accompagner. To accompany. Annuler. Annuler. To cancel. Faire du mal. Faire du mal. To hurt. Avoir besoin. Avoir besoin. To have. Épeler. Épeler. To spell. Allumer. Allumer. To turn on. Éteindre. Éteindre. To turn off. Goûter. Goûter. To taste. Goûter. Goûter. To cost. Décrire. Décrire. To describe. Effacer. Effacer. To erase. Créer. Créer. To create. Enseigner. Enseigner. To teach. Entraîner. Entraîner. To train. Nettoyer. Nettoyer. To clean. Salir. Salir. To dirt. Noter. Noter. To note. Placer. Placer. To place. Remplacer. Remplacer. To replace. That's all for me. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from Radhika. I would like to dedicate this video of mine to my nephew Rahavendran. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned with French and You. Au revoir et bonne journée. Bye bye and have a nice day. Thank you.